Hi friends, this is Press. And of course guys, invite ko sana kayo tomorrow sa 38 Defense in Sporting Arms Show na gaganapin sa MOA. Bali guys, start siya tomorrow. Bali yung event niya is 20 to 24. Yeah, hanggang Sunday siya. So yun nga, gaganapin siya sa SMX Mall of Asia. And of course guys, take this opportunity to purchase your first gun or purchase one of your collection. And of course, take opportunity for the large discount. Meron tayong mga 30 plus exhibitors na pupunta doon para marami tayong choices for our firearms, tactical gear, and accessories. And of course guys, meron pala silang hassle-free on-site LTOP application and renewal. So take this opportunity, 'di ba? Nandun na lahat, one-stop shop. Para yung mga gustong kumuha ng LTOP and yung mga magre-renew, one-stop shop na lang. And of course, sama nyo na rin yung whole family nyo para maganda ang bonding moment. So guys, yun lang. This is Press checking the AFAD Defense in Sporting Arms Show guys. Kita-kita tayo dun guys. Press check!